To become a millionaire investing in index funds. Start by understanding the basics of investing and the benefits of index funds. Index funds are a type of investment that tracks a specific stock market index, such as the S&P 500, and provides broad diversification and low costs. The first step is to set clear financial goals and determine how much you need to invest each month. To reach your goal of becoming a millionaire, consider your income, expenses, and current savings to determine a realistic investment amount. Next, choose a brokerage account that offers low-cost index funds with no minimum investment requirements. Popular options include Vanguard, Fidelity, and Schwab. Open an account and fund it with your initial investment. Select a mix of index funds that align with your investment goals and risk tolerance. A common portfolio includes a total stock market index fund, an international stock market index fund, and a bond market index fund. Allocate your investments accordingly, such as 60% stocks and 40% bonds. Invest regularly through dollar cost averaging, which involves investing a fixed amount of money at regular intervals, regardless of the market's performance. This helps reduce the impact of market volatility and timing risks. Monitor and adjust your portfolio periodically to ensure it remains aligned with your investment goals. Rebalance your portfolio as needed to maintain your target asset allocation. To become a millionaire, it is essential to be patient and disciplined, as investing in index funds is a long-term strategy. Historically, the stock market has provided average annual returns of around 7 to 10% over the long term. Assuming an average annual return of 8%, investing $500 per month for 30 years could result in a portfolio worth over $1 million. By following these steps and maintaining a long-term perspective, you can increase your chances of becoming a millionaire investing in index funds. Remember to stay informed, avoid emotional decisions, and stick to your investment plan to achieve your financial goals.